Hello. Okay, we have to do like an official welcome and like a directions video. So here you go. Okay, what you're looking at is my AP Canvas page. Okay. Once you get into Canvas, which you all should do now because I sent you that email about how to get into the Canvas app, which is like so easy now. I figured it out. So if you're still confused, you need to check emails. Yes, I sent it yesterday morning. Okay, so once you get in, whether it's on your app or on like a laptop or whatever you have, this is the AP page. Whenever you go in, you see the nationalism review, which you should have already done. Yeah. And then you see the Industrial Revolution review, which you should have already done. Okay. Then if you come down here to imperialism, all right. This is what we're doing this next week. And y'all, there we go. It's not that stuff hasn't counted the last 2 weeks because for you, you have an AP test. And so everything counts. All right. But I'm grading stuff officially this week. Yay. So here's what you're going to see. When you first go in, you're going to see Imperialism Directions. And then underneath this is going to be this little video. Okay. But you're going to see Imperialism Directions. Click on it. And then it'll take you to the directions. Okay. If you want to just download the whole thing, you can. I think it's easier because you can see the whole thing at once. You don't have to, though. You can just look at it in here. But this right here is what you're doing this week. Okay. So this week we're dealing with imperialism. It's my parents' cuckoo clock. Okay. So anyway, you're doing imperialism. I have to wait for the bird. Is it almost over? Okay, so anyway, the bird's gone. Okay, so if you look here, you don't actually have to do like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you just want to do all of this in one day and be done with it, cool. But if you want to actually keep like a schedule, this is what I kind of suggest, I guess. The very first day, imperialism, vocab, okay? You have vocab that is due. Yeah, it's due next Monday, April 13th. I'll show you how to actually like do this in a minute, but you have vocab that's due. And then I gave you the links in here, although they're not actually links. So if you use it from here, you'll have to actually like copy and paste these into your little, what is it, address thing in the internet. But this just tells you what to do, okay? Technically, Friday is a holiday, all right? Then as you scroll down, there's information about the College Board reviews. The College Board reviews are those things that I sent you that College Board is doing. All right. You click on this or you go to this YouTube thing, and there's like a whole bunch of videos. There's a whole playlist for World History AP videos. And the first 10 are all the Cold War. Guys, we're not going to get to that. I don't think so, with all of us being stopped and everything for 2 weeks. So if you want to know about the Cold War, watch those videos. Okay, those are totally optional. But after those first 10 videos, you get to like video 11, 12, whatever. Those are reviews. Okay, look right here. Do you see? I will bring you more information about your AP test coming, but AP World History test is May 21st. So I know you guys like got in your heads May 14th, May 14th. Throw that out. Now, May 21st at 1 p.m. Start scheduling for that now. Put it on your calendar now. All right? Because if you miss it, there is one makeup day, but it's after school ends. It's like June 5th or something. I don't remember the exact day. Your AP test is one DBQ question. It's going to consist of only 5 documents, not the like 7 or 8 that we normally talked about. And you're going to have to use all 5 in your answer. That shouldn't be hard for you because I've been having you do that like all year, okay? You're also going to have to use your extra, what we call document 8, but I guess technically it's document 6. But you're also, here's the kicker, only going to have 45 minutes to do it. So I'm hearing things from both sides. Some people are saying, oh my gosh, this is so much harder. And some people are saying, oh my gosh, this is so awesome. So we'll talk more about this as we get closer to it. But please remember, you have AP tests, and that one question could be over anything from the whole year. So starting with video 11, as you see up here, those are actual reviews. I've already looked at them. It's talking about like what we did in September. All right. And that's optional, but you do have an AP test. Okay, if you go down to the second page of the directions here, this is showing you Canvas stuff. You're like, well, I'm on Canvas. I'm also going to send this in an email. Okay, so you can still use this link to enroll. If you use the Canvas app, which I did a YouTube video, I'm telling you, watch it. The app works now. So many of y'all have had questions about how do I get into the app, and I was like, I don't know, because I can't get in either. I finally got the information. It's right here. Watch this video. You need your enroll code. It's right here. All right. It's awesome. I actually don't think that's your enroll code. I think that's pre-AP, but I'll fix that. And then you have contact information. And then you have information about Google Hangouts. We have to do Google Hangouts with y'all twice a day. Mine will be 11:30. Yeah, 11:30 to 12, and then 1 to 1:30. So basically it'll straddle lunch. These are not mandatory yet. They will be. As we get closer to the AP test, they will be. All right. But right now, these are not mandatory. If you have questions about something, pop in, go here. It's also in your Canvas page. I'll show you how to get there from Canvas in a minute. But pop in, just go here, boom, yeah, and then we can talk face to face and like in real time and all that good stuff. Okay, here are some rules and etiquette. I love y'all, but just because we're online doesn't mean like y'all are still in my classroom. No cussing. Yes. Whatever you write or whatever you say is totally public, you guys. Please understand that. It is all public, so everybody's going to hear it. So pretend like you're in a classroom because you are. All right. I expect the exact same respect that you have for each other that you do in class. Okay. When one person's talking, if you want to talk, just so that people can tell. All right. Let's see. Oh, be careful with sarcasm. Yeah. Sometimes it's hard to get sarcasm, and you know I'm the queen of that. But sometimes when you're doing this virtually, it's hard to get that. Okay. So just understand, here's some little like online behavior for you. Okay. Let me drop me. And then let's get out of this and we'll go back to Canvas. So that is your directions. Okay. Like I said, this video will be right underneath there. Then underneath that, you will have your Hangouts that you can go to each day. You don't have to. All right. But just click on it. Click right here, or if you want to use your phone, do right here. Just click on it. Hello. Okay, look, whenever you click on that, what I just clicked on, you hit join now. I'm in Google Hangouts all by myself, but eventually it'll be like all of you guys, okay, or whoever chooses to join. If you want to pop in for like 2 seconds and then pop out, or if you just have a quick question, we can do that. I don't know, whatever. Okie dokie. Okay, so that's 11:30 and 1:30. What you do need to be aware of is this. If it's 1 o'clock, you need to be sure and go to the 1 o'clock hangout. It's a different link. Okay. If it's 11:30, you need to be sure and go to that one because I mean, they're different links. Okay. The assignment for you that is due this week, you're actually doing it this week, is the imperialism vocab. When you click on that, oh, there it is. You click right here, just like I did, and it'll download. Okay. Then you pop this up. Look at there. You have your imperialism vocab. Okay. Underneath here, is a video where I am being your glossary, just like I did in class for you. If you would rather just Google these and get it done faster, I'm about to sneeze. Sorry, then you can. If you would rather, I don't know, use a dictionary, then you can. Or you can watch the video where I'm telling you Indochina is, and then just like in class, you find it and you just type it in. I don't know where it is. Okay, let's just do this one because I already saw what it was. Oh, you have to hit enable editing. Sorry. You just type it in. The spelling count, yeah, just like always. Okay, so you have imperialism. You found the first one. Woohoo! Everybody better get that right. Once you have finished the whole thing, you're going to come in here, save it. Guys, it is smart to have a world history folder on here with everything that you're doing. Put everything in that world history folder. But you're going to save it, all right? I will save it as week 1 example. Oh, whatever. Save. Okay. Then, whenever you're done, you come back here. Hi. You come back here and you're going to go to submit. So you come over here to submit. And then you either file upload, which is what I just did, or you can text entry. If you file upload, you just choose your file. Look, week 1 example, that's what I just did. And then you hit submit. And it will come to me. Cool, look at that, submitted. It tells you right here. If you want to do it, I don't know, again or something, let me show you this. You can do a text entry, all right? It's going to be a little bit harder with vocab, but you could do a text entry. If you want to do it this way, you put, guys, these are not the right answers, obviously, okay? And then you hit submit. And look, see? Submitted. Okie dokie. All right, that is due the 13th, okay? Then, once you've done that, so you have all week to do that, okay? Then here you have notes and videos. Okay, look. Your imperialism notes are right here. I'll show you, I'll click on it in a minute. Underneath, you have the videos that you need to watch for this week. Okay, you're like, oh my gosh, that's so many. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's like 7 videos. Guys, most of them are short. All right, most of them are 10 or so minutes. So anyway, you come here, click on this, and you have your notes. Boom. Normal notes, exactly like what you usually see. If you want to add to it, hit enable up here. If you want to print them, print them. If you want to copy them into your notes that you've been doing in your notebooks and your spirals, that's cool too, okay? Then you'll go to Causes of Imperialism. It's a video. You'll hit play, probably unmute it, and then it's me teaching. And this is the Dutchie. See? It's me teaching. All right. Let me get out of here. This is what you have to do for next week. All right. Mandatory is the imperialism vocabulary right here. Here's the video. Here's the actual sheet. Okay. And then optional are the Google Hangouts at either 11:30 or 1. And then not optional, but not graded. So, I mean, how will I know if you've done the videos and the notes? Will you pass your AP test? That's it. So, I mean, I'll be able to see like who has watched them, but I'm not taking it like for a quote unquote grade. Okay. So you remember, let me show you here. Let me leave student view. See down here at the bottom? I will leave. Okay. Now I'm in as me. Okay. So I'm in as me. Hey, look at here. Look down here at the bottom. It tells me that I have an imperialism vocab to grade. I click on it and it will take me straight to your imperialism vocab that you sent. Cool? I've already seen several of y'all that have uploaded some stuff. That's cool. I have them. I haven't graded them. I haven't looked at them yet, but I have seen like the list of stuff. I'm afraid to hit progress because I'm afraid. I'm trying to think of somebody. Amber, I don't think you mind. I'm trying to think of somebody who I saw had turned it in. Let me just do me. Okay, so see, look, I've looked at all those videos, so it says complete. Do you see? Okay, so let me do it again. Mandatory for this week. Your what is it? Vocab. Okay. You should be doing the notes and the videos. And then optional for this week, Google Hangouts. All right. And then those AP videos, which I will post at the very, very bottom. Okie dokie. Okay. If you have questions, click on Google Hangouts tomorrow at 11:30 or 1, and we'll see how this goes. Okie dokie. All right. Bye, guys.